Mr. Baxter watering the fountain. And the flowers. And then there's Gigi behind him, but she's not a foster. And then there's Miss Scarlet, of course, has to look at him. They've got to come along. 1, 2, 3. And look who's down here. Here is Hero. Look at Hero. Can you believe the weight on that guy? And of course he's going under that wagon. Oh, he's going back to Mommy. He's going back to Mommy. You're not going
for Mama.
See, come on, Mom. Walk out in the yard. Maybe I'll follow you. Are you coming, boss?
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. Come here, buddy.
He looks like a little tick, don't he?
Come here, Hero.
Can you show him? Can you show him how he gives you kisses? I'll hold your cigarette.
I don't know if that's good though. Come here, Hero. Come here. Come here, buddy.
See, it's my mommy.
I don't know if he'll do it.
See, she's the one that saved me.
Can I give Mom a kiss?
Can you give Mommy a kiss?
Can I give a kiss?
And he did that last night. There he goes. Turn that cheek and give Mommy a kiss. Good boy. And he came out last night and just walked the whole yard. Where you going now? You know, I would say, did you say you got him in August? So, yeah, and I probably had him about 3 months before you got him. Didn't I?
2014.
Yeah, so he is.
I know a good month.
It probably has been 3 years since we got him. And that was when they said 6 to 9 months. And he, look at Miss Scarlet over here peeing. I don't know if I got her standing on her hind legs or not. And Mr. Boss getting along with everybody. There goes Miss Scarlet. Here's say 2 old and 1 young. Scarlet, don't you growl at Hero. Hero's getting lost in the tree. Oh, look at him go potty. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Miss Scarlet, how you doing, baby girl? Hi, baby girl. Yeah, I wasn't going to grab your leash. I wasn't. Not right now. I'm trying to get some video of Hero. It's my Hero. Look at you. Little butterball. Say, but I'm happy.